Welcome to the series First Steps in English. My name is Oliver, and I am really happy you are here for episode 4. In episode 1, we talked about your daily routine. In episode 2, we talked about your family. In episode 3, we explored your city, the streets, the shops, the buses, and the parks. Today, we are going inside one of those shops. Today, we are going shopping. Shopping is something we all do. We buy food, we buy clothes, we buy things for our homes. And when you are in an English-speaking country, or shopping online in English, knowing the right words makes everything easier and more comfortable. By the end of this episode, you will know how to find what you need, ask for help, talk about sizes and prices, and pay for your items, all in English. Are you ready? Let's go shopping. Part 2. The story. It is a Saturday afternoon. You are in the city center. You walk past a clothing store, a shop that sells clothes. Through the window, you can see jackets, shirts, trousers, dresses. There's a sign in the window that says sale. Sale means the prices are lower than normal. Things are cheaper than usual. This is always a good moment to go inside. You push open the door and walk in. The shop is bright and organized. There are rails, long metal bars with clothes hanging on them. There are shelves with folded items. There is soft music playing. A shop assistant, the person who works in the shop and helps customers, looks up and smiles. She says, "Hi there. Can I help you with anything today?" This is the standard greeting in most English-speaking shops. Sometimes people say, "Are you looking for anything in particular?" Or simply, "Let me know if you need any help." These are all friendly and normal. You don't have to respond with a long sentence. A simple answer is perfectly fine. You say, "I'm just browsing, thanks." Just browsing is one of the most useful phrases in any shop. It means you are looking around, but you don't need help right now. You are not ready to buy anything yet. You are just looking. Just browsing. Remember this one. It is simple, polite, and very natural. You walk around the shop. You look at the jackets on the rail. You find one you like. It is dark blue, simple, and warm. You check the label. The label is the small tag attached to the item of clothing. It shows the size, the price, and the material, what the jacket is made of. The label says M. In English, clothes sizes are often written as letters. S means small, M means medium, L means large, XL means extra large, and XXL means extra, extra large. These letters are used in most countries, so they are very useful to know. But you are not sure if medium is the right size for you. You pick up the jacket and look for the shop assistant. You say, "Excuse me, do you have this in a large?" This is a very common question in clothing shops. Do you have this in a large? Or, do you have this in a different size? The shop assistant will either find the size for you or check in the back, the storage area behind the shop where extra stock is kept. She says, "Let me check for you. One moment." She comes back with a large. She hands it to you. Would you like to try it on? Try it on means to put the item of clothing on your body to see if it fits and if you like it. The fitting room, also called the changing room, is the small private room where you do this. "Can I try this on?" is something you will say many times when shopping for clothes. You say, "Yes, please. Where are the fitting rooms?" She points to the back of the shop, just at the back on the right. You take the jacket to the fitting room. You try it on, you look in the mirror, it fits well. The shoulders are in the right place, the length is good, you like it. You come out and find the shop assistant again. "I'll take it," you say. "I'll take it" means you have decided to buy it. It is a simple, clear, and very natural way to say yes to a purchase. You don't need to say, "I would like to purchase this item, please." Just, "I'll take it." She smiles. "Great choice. Shall I take that to the till for you?" The till, also called the cash register or checkout, is where you pay. In American English, people say the register or the checkout. In British English, the till is very common. They all mean the same thing, the place where money changes hands. You follow her to the till. She scans the jacket. The screen shows the price. It was originally £50, but with the sale, it is now £35. That is a saving of £15. Not bad. She asks, "How would you like to pay? Cash or card?" You take out your card. "Card, please." She turns the card reader toward you. You tap your card or insert it and enter your PIN, your 4-digit secret number. The machine beeps. The payment goes through. She puts the jacket in a paper bag with the shop's logo on it, and hands it to you with your receipt. A receipt is the printed record of your purchase. It shows what you bought, the price, and the date. Always keep your receipt when you buy clothes or electronics. If the item is the wrong size, if it is damaged, or if you simply change your mind, you will need your receipt to return or exchange it. "Can I have the receipt, please?" Always ask. She says, "Enjoy your new jacket. Have a lovely day." You say, "Thank you, you too." You walk out of the shop with your bag. The jacket is folded neatly inside. The afternoon sun is on your face. That was easy, that was natural, that was English. Part 3. Shadowing practice. Now let's practice together. I will say a sentence, it will be slow and clear. After each sentence, you repeat it out loud. Don't worry about being perfect, just say the words. Ready? I am just browsing, thanks. Do you have this in a large? Can I try this on? Where are the fitting rooms? It fits well. I'll take it. How much does this cost? Is this on sale? I would like to pay by card. Can I have the receipt, please? Thank you. Have a lovely day. Part 4. Quick vocabulary recap. Let's finish with 3 important words from today. The first phrase is just browsing. This is what you say when a shop assistant asks if you need help, but you are not ready yet. You are just looking around. I'm just browsing, thanks. It is polite, it is natural, and it gives you space to look without feeling pressured. Use it every time you walk into a shop and you want to explore on your own first. The second phrase is try it on. When you want to put a piece of clothing on your body to see if it fits, you try it on. Can I try this on? Is the question. The place where you do this is the fitting room or the changing room. Both words mean the same thing. Where are the fitting rooms is a question every shopper needs to know. And the third word is receipt. A receipt is the paper or digital record of your purchase. It shows what you bought, the price, and the date. Always keep your receipt when you buy clothes or electronics. If the item is the wrong size, if it is damaged, or if you simply change your mind, you will need your receipt to return or exchange it. Can I have the receipt, please? Always ask. That is episode 4 of First Steps in English. You have now completed the first 4 episodes of this series. You can talk about your routine, your family, your city, and your shopping. That's real, everyday English, and you are using it. My name is Oliver. Well done for making it this far. Keep practicing, keep speaking out loud, and I will see you in the next episode. See you next time.